Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, TAI. Dear students, this is for grade 2. This is social studies class. Today we will do lesson number 6, living together. I am Mrs. Kina Imtiaz. Unit number 3, good habits, and lesson number 6, living together. Okay, students, let's start. Open your book, page number 15, and look at this page. Living together. Lesson number 6, living together. First, I want to read. Listen to me, and then I will explain. Do you like being by yourself? Do you like being by yourself? When you are by yourself, do you feel lonely or sad? Do you go and look for a friend? People like to live together. We like to be with other people and talk to them. Some rules help us live together happily. Now these are the rules, okay? First one, sharing. First one is sharing. Do you share things with others? Think of your family. Your parents don't eat all the food themselves. They share it with the whole family. Okay? Now, rule number 2, taking turns. Taking turns. If many people want to use the same thing, they take turns. One uses it first, then the next, and so on. Do you take turns? When? Number 3, queuing. A queue is a line of people waiting. We wait in a queue when we want to buy a railway ticket. We queue to enter a building or get on a bus. What might happen if all people didn't queue? And last one, this is the last rule of this lesson. Feelings. Ali and Kashif were friends. Kashif had a kite and Ali wanted it too. They both pulled at the kite and it tore. Kashif was angry. Why was he angry? Was Ali angry too? Okay, students. This is the lesson number 6, living together. Mean how you live together happily. Are you want to live together or no? Okay, here are some questions. And if you want to live together happily, then there are some rules and you should follow these rules. Now look at this one. I want to explain this lesson. Do you like being by yourself? When you are by yourself, do you feel lonely or sad? Do you go and look for a friend? Okay, there are three questions. This is about you students in this level. But I know you don't want to be alone. All of you want to play with your friends and you want to live together with your family. When you are alone and without your family or without your friends, then you feel lonely or you feel sad. So you also and people like to live together. We like to be with other people and talk to them. And also you can see in this picture. In this picture, there are some children are playing. And one girl, you can see this one, she is standing over there on a side. Is she happy? No, she is feeling sad. Why? Because she wants to play with these children, with these girls and boy, with her friends. Okay. So we all, and also you people, you children like to live together and you want to play with your friends. You want to talk with your friends. Here are some rules. If we follow these rules, then we can live together happily. First one, sharing. Students, have you seen at your home your parents during lunch time or dinner time what they are doing? Your parents don't eat all the food themselves. They share it with the whole family. Have you seen? Yes, it is called sharing. And also, if you are in the class or you are eating lunch with your friends, then what you have to do? You should share your lunch with your friends. If your friend, anyone, there is a group of 5 or 6 girls or 5 or 6 boys, and out of these anyone don't have lunch, then what you have to do? You should follow your lunch with your friends. It is called sharing. Or in your class, any your friend don't have pencil and he cannot write, so you should share your pencil, give to her or give to him your pencil and he can write. Okay, it is called sharing. You should follow sharing. Next is taking turns. Taking turns means if many people want to use the same thing, they take turns. One uses it first, then the next, and so on. Do you take turns and when? You can see in this picture. In this picture, all of these students are standing in a line, in a queue. Okay, and here is a one slide, but all of them want to slide here. But is it possible? I mean, all there are 6 or 8 students can sliding in one time? No, it's not possible. So everyone want to take her, want to wait her, or want to wait his turn. Okay, it is called turns. I mean, these you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one is 8. 8 children are playing here, and here is one thing, and all of them will use it. But how? One by one. I mean, turn by turn. It means you should wait your turn. Then you can take your turn. Okay, students? Next is queuing. A queue means, what is the meaning of queue? Queue means a line. You should stand in a line. A queue means, a queue is a line of people waiting for something. If you want to buy something, then what you have to do? You should make a line. A queue, it is called, it's mean line. Okay. We wait in a queue when we want to buy a railway ticket we queue to enter a building or get on a bus. Also, you can say this is the it is the discipline. Okay, if you will stand in a line, then it means you are following the rules, and also you are making a one type of discipline. Okay, if you want to buy, students, especially for you, in the break, all of you want to buy something, all of you want to buy from the canteen, but how you can buy? If you will stand in a line, if you will wait in a queue, then you can buy easily. But if you will stand in a group, then what happen? You cannot buy. So you should make a line, and also you should wait your turn. Now here is question, what might happen if people didn't queue? In your class or in your school, there are different levels, 2, 3 levels in one school, and each level each level have different sizes of students and different levels of classes, class 1, 2, 3, 4. Then some students are weak and some are strong. So what happened when you will stand in a group? Then stronger students can move forward and they can buy early, but weak students cannot buy. So when you will not follow the rule, when you will not stand in a line, then you cannot buy. You should follow the rules. Last one is feelings. Ali and Kashif were friends. Kashif had a kite and Ali wanted it too. They both pulled at the kite and it tore. Kashif was angry. Why was he angry? Was Ali angry too? Also, you can see in this picture, there is one kite, but both of them want to play. And whose kite is this? It's Kashif's. Kashif had a kite, but Ali also wants this kite. What he is doing? He want to pull. He is pulling this kite from the Kashif. As a result, what happened? This kite has broken. It can torn. So Kashif will be angry. Kashif will be angry. And Ali is also feeling angry. Why? Because kite has torn and no one can play with the kite. If they can, they will share with each other, then maybe both of them play with this kite. But now no one can use this kite. So we should take care of each other. We don't hurt to other. We don't hurt to your friends. We don't hurt our brothers and sisters. We should take care of feelings of each other. If you want something better for you, and also you should take care of your sister, take care of your friends, take care of your brother. Maybe he want same like you. Okay, students? So don't hurt feeling of other people's. Okay, students? I hope inshallah you will follow these rules. Now we will do question answers and work page. This is the work page. This is the work page of lesson number 6. Question number 1. Write down 2 things which make you sad. Question number 2. Write down 2 things which make you angry. Write down 2 things which make you happy. Students, if you want to do, you can do this work page, but in your syllabus, this one is not included. There are some changes, and now we will do another question answers. Okay. Now look at B part. Make a list of the things you share with other people. Here you write names of things. Which one? Any 10, write names of any 10 things you share with other people. At your home, in the class, or when you are traveling, then with other passengers. Which things you can share. Okay, write here names of the things. Okay, students. But if you want to do same this question, just I am telling you, but we will do next another work page, another questions. Write down the two things which make you sad. Yes, you can write here your opinions, but just I am telling you, number one, when the people don't follow the rules, then you feel sad. And number two, when the people don't speak the truth, then you feel sad. Question number two, write down two things which make you angry. You write here your feelings. Which things make you angry? Just I am giving you idea. Okay. The people don't share their things. They make you angry. And also when the people don't wait for their turns. And number three, write down two things which make you happy. Here you write your opinions. Okay, students, again and again I am telling you. When the people help one another, then make you happy. And also when the people follow the rules, then they make you happy. These are my opinions in your level, but you can write here your opinion. Okay, students? Now we will do these question answers. This work page will come in your exams. Okay. Number one, write any two good habits you have for others. Number one, having feeling for others, having good feeling for others, sharing things with others. Okay. Question number two, write any two good habits which make you healthy. Number one, taking balanced diet. Number two, getting proper rest. Question number three, what will happen if people don't wait for their turn? I told you now which things or what happen when people don't wait for their turns. There will be no discipline if people don't wait for their turn. Okay, students? And number two, next we will do question answers. Living together. Question number one, how do rules help us? Question number one, how do rules help us? Rules help us to live together happily. We have discussed this one in detail. Okay. Number two, do you have lots of friends? Yes, I have lots of friends. Question number three, do you ever feel lonely? When? Yes, I feel lonely without my family and without my friends. Okay, these are the question answers. Listen again. How do rules help us? Answer, rules help us to live together happily. Question number two, do you have lots of friends? Yes, I have lots of friends. Question number three, do you ever feel lonely? When? Yes, I feel lonely without my family and friends. Okay, students, these are question answers. Now we will do multiple choice questions. MCQs. Multiple choice question mean MCQs. There is one question and three answers. But you have to choose right answer. Tick or underline the right answer. Number one, Mr. Habib Ali is how many years old? Here in this blank, you have to write right answer. A part 50 years, B 70 years, and C 80 years. Yes, students, you have done this lesson. Mr. Habib Ali is how many years old? This one you can see, this is the underline. You can see this answer, number C. He is 80 years old. Okay, choose it. You can just underline the right answer, or also you can just tick it like this. Okay. Number 2. Mr. Raza Ali's father is. Yes, students, do you know who is the father of Mr. Raza Ali? Mr. Habib Ali, Mr. Akbar, or Mr. Mahmood? Who is the father of Mr. Raza Ali? Mr. Habib Ali. Okay, you can see this one, number A part. Mr. Habib Ali is the father of Mr. Raza Ali. So here what will come? Here will come Mr. Habib Ali. Now number 3. Who is the Zainab Ali's brother? Do you know? Do you remember that lesson? He was guest. Who is the Zainab Ali's brother? Anwar, Ahmad, and Raza Ali. Who? Anwar. Okay. Who is the Zainab Ali's brother? You can see this is the right answer. Anwar. Anwar is the brother of Zainab Ali. Number 4. What is the name of Ahmad's brother? Mahmood, Imran, Mumtaz. What is the name of Ahmad's brother? Mahmood. Okay, what will come here? This is the right answer. A part, Mahmood. The name of Ahmad's brother is Mahmood. Now number 5. Mr. Raza Ali works as in a bank. Do you know? Manager, cashier, or field officer? But field officer, what he is doing in a bank? So what will come here? Mr. Raza Ali works as a manager in a bank. Here will come manager in a bank. A part. This is the right answer. Now number 6. Mr. Raza Ali wakes up in the. Yes. In the morning, evening, or afternoon. When he wakes up. Mr. Raza Ali wakes up in the morning. This is the right answer. He wakes up in the morning. Now number 7. Mr. Raza Ali goes back to whom at? Yes, tell me. You should learn now. 4 p.m., 5 p.m. or 7 p.m. Mr. Raza Ali goes back to home at 5 p.m. This is the right answer. Now question number 8. At what time does Mr. Raza Ali go to work? 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m. or 8 a.m. At what time? 7:30 a.m. This is the right answer. Okay, 7:30 a.m. Number 9. The grade 2 school are called. The grade 2 school are called. Which one? Primary school, senior school, or college? Primary school. Okay, these are the levels of grades, and this is the second one in primary school. The grade 2 school are called primary school. This is the right answer. Number 10. High school is grade of education from standard. From which levels? 2 to 4, KG to 3, or 8 to 10. So what will come here? High school is grade of education from standard 8 to 10. Okay. This is the right answer. Okay, students, these are the MCQs. Write in your notebook and then learn it. Okay. Now this is your homework. Write question answer in the notebook and learn And also do page number 17 work page in a book. You can do that same page, but I will share with you again this work page and do this one and learn the MCQs. These are question answers. Write in your notebook and then learn. And this is the work page. Okay, write these 3 questions in your, you can write this question in your notebook. And B part, make a list of the things you share with other people, do in your notebook and if sorry in your book. And if you want to do this question A part, same page of book, you can write your opinions. Okay students, this is your homework and these are MCQs, multiple choice questions. Write in your notebook and then learn. There are 10 MCQs. Inshallah, these MCQs will come in your exams. So learn these MCQs. Okay, students? Okay, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.